Hi guys, Vicky here. So today, just kind of hopping straight into this video, I wanted to work on getting my last few raised beds finally in the ground. This has taken just a lot longer than I thought it would. But the soil at the top is pretty easy to work with. So I after work I just came on out and I um, worked on getting this bed in place. The soil line up there was already kind of flat. It's because I'm not sure if you can tell. There's a big drop off in that section of the yard, so it was already less steep of an angle at the top. So I didn't have to dig out as much. But I did dig a little bit from the topmost part of the yard to fill in around the edges and kind of solidify its place there in the hillside. But that went super fast, honestly. That was great. So, next, I started surveying to see about the placement of the next raised bed. It had rained several days ago, but the yard was still very, very mushy and moist. Um, we do have like a water issue running through the backyard. This is not just me like complaining. It's I don't know the exact word for it. I think it's like an artesian well or something. There's water that literally just comes up from the earth on this hillside. So, I mean, hopefully that'll be great for the garden. But the soil is very, very moist in places because of this. So, in fact, I can't even dig like that last set of stairs that would have gone in between these four raised beds. I can't even do that. The soil just won't really accommodate. So it was so wet down there. What I started doing was just throwing down branches and pieces of deadwood from the top of the hill to help firm up and kind of solidify a base for this raised bed. So instead of digging in any further, I tried to just kind of solidify and find, something to make the ground a little more even with. There was already that kind of drop off, so it's like it was already kind of flat there for me. So I felt that that was a good compromise. I kind of set the tray there to see the raised bed rather there to see how it would look. It seemed pretty level, and then I decided to use a resource that is in abundance in my yard, which is that dry grass, to fill in some of the gaps in the in between the sticks with some of the mud. So until next time, bye.